Hey guys, welcome back to EduTech Rohit. This is Wolverine Gaming. So today on 1051 server we entered to season 1, and I'm gonna tell you about few basic things you can do in season 1 or starting off season 1. So if you are from 1051 or alongside the servers, you are now entered into season 1, then this video will help you a little bit. So wait and watch till the end. So once you open the game, you'll find three buildings in here. You can tap on that, and there are all three buildings are seasonal. They will end after the season ends, or disappear after season ends. So this protein farm building will be go here if you tap on it. And there is another, a virus research institute. These all are very much important to all the season. Okay, so we wanna complete it, and you need 700 immune protein to get this proceed. Okay, so you'll have some already, so you can take it and place anywhere you want. And you can see you can get those immune crystals from various tasks from here, like season. You can see level, defeat level 1 monsters, etc., and upgrade virus research institutes, etc. You're gonna get lots of these crystals and immune protein. Okay, so complete this side task for better upgrade chances. Okay, so we have done this, and there is a third building which is called as emergency center, which is gonna be very good. So I'm gonna place it somewhere here. I need to make place, looks like. Okay, so you can see when you tap on that building, you can see number of fainted units. So this is actually like hospital, but very fast one. uh, it heals your units instantly. So you can see I can now heal or get back my 450 units instantly. Okay, so you can upgrade it and make it increase in number of recover units. So there is no receipt, uh, like, wait, you can see uh, as you upgrade it, you will get painted unit ratio upgraded, painted unit capacity upgraded, a rescue cooldown. There is a rescue cooldown, like you can use this in 2 days, 12 hours, each 2 days. You can also upgrade and reduce it, and there is also power increase in it once you upgrade all of them. And about these research institute and protein farm, protein farm is needed for virus research institute, and virus research institute is needed to get the immunity, so you can capture all the strongholds like this. So you can see you need immunity to capture these strongholds. You at least need 2800 virus resistant to capture it, so you must have that. So you can increase your immunity through research institute center. You can check your immunity from here, like you can see virus resistance is now 100, and you can increase it from here. Okay, so you need to obtain these protein first, and then you will get virus resistance increased. So you can upgrade the protein farms for that. So I'm gonna upgrade it like to show you all. So this video will help all the newcomers which going through season 1. Okay, so as we can see now, after upgrading building to level 8, I am getting new building for protein farm once again. Okay, so I'm gonna place it here, and again I will increase it. You can see we're getting lots of diamonds and mutant crystals through this, so you can upgrade it and get your resistance high. So you can upgrade through the free time and done. Okay, so we need at least 10k protein to increase the resistance from here. So you can do that by upgrading protein farms, and once you upgrade protein farms, you will have no worries to uh, attacking on military strongholds or rallying on monsters, zombies, and all other creatures. So that was the basic thing about season 1. And you can also see in here a virus option given in here, like ra virus. There you can see your stacks in here. As you get virus, it will be increased, and if you get one stack every 300 seconds, one unit becomes seriously injured. If you get 20 stacks, your morale is low by -4%, and if you get stacks 40, enemy units casualty rate will be increased against you. And if you get 60 virus plague, even in defeat, there is a still 6% chance that the troops will infect the enemy. So you can infect the enemy with stacks 60, and if you get 100 virus on you, then it will be a virus blast. When the countdown ends, the virus will spread from your base, infecting nearby commanders with 1/4 of your virus stack. Okay, so all surrounding your friends or enemies will get those virus if you have 100 max virus blast. That can also be used on vs days to attack enemies or infect them. So you can see infection area, virus resistance, corruptor, cure allies, virus tags, etc. You can read all the signs in here, and you can also cure your enemies from here. There are lots of goals given in here, like infect virus. You can infect you can have 10 stacks of virus and get these rewards. You can cure your allies and get those rewards, and even on spreading virus you are getting some rewards. So there are lots of things to do, and you can also cure your allies virus. Like you can see there is a 10 virus on this guy, so I'm gonna tap on this base and you can see the injection. You can just click on the injection button, and your recon planes will cure them with injection, and you'll get rewards for that, or fragments for that, which can be used to get rewards. So that's a very good reward function given in here. So just enjoy. So you can see I got some virus on me, sorry, it's a task. I cured all 10 allies, and I got some rewards in return of that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more season 1 related updates and upgrades.